Hey you guys, Damo here. I'm back to bring you guys another video, and in case you're new here, my name is Damo and thank you for tuning into my channel. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you'll be up to date with all of my new videos. I appreciate you. And to my oldies, what's up? You know I love y'all. This is the end of 2018 unboxing. I copped these on the 27th when they released, and I got them from good old Finish Line. As you can see, I love Finish Line. Okay, let me put you up on game. Make sure you subscribe to that Finish Line Winner's Circle, because once you spend $200, you get a $20 coupon that you can use for anything on the website, which is how I actually scored these. Wrong way, which is why I scored these Boost 350s for the booming price of $200. So basically I paid under retail for these. So let's get into these. Again, these are the Static Yeezy Boost 350s, and as always I get all of my Yeezys in a size 7 because the Yeezys actually do run small. I heard some people say that they run bigger, but in my opinion they definitely run a tad bit small, so you might want to size up a half size, even a full size. I usually go one full size up, so I get the size 7, and this is what they look like. These are so pretty. I love that they're so basic that you can wear these with anything. Love that they have the hint of 3M on the laces. Bomb. In pictures these look amazing, but this is what they look like. I totally am all in love with these sneakers. I swear, all in love. Let me move the tag. Here's the bottoms, the crispy white, and on the side, okay, when the pictures first came out, I thought the whole strip was actually transparent, but it's not. It's only, this is the transparent part. It's from here to here. Like, that's it. So everything else is actually covered. So if you think the whole strip is transparent, it's not. You can actually see that there is some covering or something. I don't know what the hell this is. Hold up. Oh, it's like some plastic piece that's on top of, that's inside of the mesh on the toe area right here with the little holes in it, but only this part is actually see-through. Keeps going in and out. But this is what the Statics look like. I believe they're already sold out, being that I'm getting this video up late, but if I can find them, I'll link them down below, but you'll be paying resale prices. Hopefully they're not that bad, but it is what it is. If you want them that bad, then you're gonna pay. But this is what the sneaker looks like. I love these. Can't wait to break these out. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and if you have any video ideas that you would like to see, just leave me a comment, or you can also DM me over on Instagram. My Instagram information will be in the end card of the video, so if you have any video ideas or anything that you would like me to do, just leave it in the comments or hit your girl up on Instagram and I'll get right back to you. Okay? But until then, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So